If you look at the financial services public companies, it's about 12.8 trillion. And the public fintechs, true fintechs, represent 4.8% of that. So we are like in the tiniest of slivers of creation, value creation, and opportunity.
You've been in venture long before fintech was as big as it is today. What was your aha moment when you realized that this is the future of money?
It's one of the few verticals where if you apply technology, it was very clear that you could both generate massive financial returns, but as importantly, you could create impactful outcomes for businesses and consumers. It's like one of those sectors that just had that uniquely positioned. And I think if you think about like general tech, there's so much disruption, right? There's always, you could disrupt at your heart's content.
Are you finding that it's becoming harder, especially because of AI and like how people are able to synthesize a lot of the data and a lot of information out there, harder to pick the winners?
I think in most cases, the foundational models, just in the last 6 months, continue to improve at such rapid rates that it's very difficult to think about that this notion of fine-tuning and defensibility is harder to imagine. So I think you really, unless, again, going back to like really specific, special workflow that's very unique and data advantage, it's hard to see how some of those folks can be differentiated. Yes, I agree that it makes it a lot harder to figure out which ones are truly venture backable and which ones are, standalone businesses. But I actually like to see more evergreen companies out there and scaling without the need for that.
It's fun.
I think they could generate more independent wealth, and that's just as successful in my mind in the long term.
It's amazing. I'm like, so when are we gonna have the next? Are we having another Chime at some point or no? Wait, what was the consensus there?